In this lesson, I demonstrate 4 ways to remove duplicate values in your Excel spreadsheet. First, highlight the range of cells containing duplicates, including your header, in this case name. Go to the data menu and then under the data tools section, locate the icon labeled remove duplicates. Once you come here, make sure my data has headers is checked. If you do not do so, it's going to add the header to the list of values you want to run your duplicate test on. Because we need the values excluding the header, we are going to get this checked. Go to OK. So this is our result: 6 duplicate values found and removed. With our second approach, we are going to use a function called unique, equal to unique. This is a relatively new function in Excel, so you wouldn't be finding it the legacy versions such as 2016 and before. So we are requested to fill in with the array, which should be the area we want to run our duplicate test on. So all the way from Bruno through to Christian. The remaining arguments are optional, and in our case, we do not need to complete it, so we close the brackets and press enter. So this delivers for us the unique values. In other words, the duplicate values have been dealt with. So you delete that and then step in any area of your set of data. For the third approach, press Ctrl T. We are going to use the table approach. So we are converting our range of cells to an official Excel table using the Ctrl T, which is a shortcut. Go to OK. So this creates for us a new menu called Table Design. You have the option to rename to, let's say, name, which is the header. So the table has been named as name, and then once you come here, you have the option to select remove duplicates instead of going back to the data menu. So it opens for you the same dialog box. Then you go to OK. This delivers for you the same results as under the data menu option. With the fourth and final approach, we are going to use the Power Query approach. So still with our set of data in the table format, we go to data, and then under the get and transform data, which is the Power Query section, go to from data / range. This opens for us the Power Query editor. Because we named our table name, we find the name being name. So move to the top left corner of the table, locate this icon, spreadsheet icon. Once you drop down, go all the way to remove duplicates. You click that, you go to close and load. Choose the second option, close and load to. This gives you the opportunity to select the location to deliver your results. So we go to existing spreadsheet. Then we clear this, select this cell D6, then go to OK. So this is our final approach. Thank you for going through this video. I hope you enjoyed it.